Happy Monday, gang. Here we are. It is 9:28. We have about a minute and a half before market opens. I think it's going to be a great week. This is finally our first full week of 2026. Hopefully, we're way past the kind of choppiness, barcodiness, low volumeness, all that silliness. Let's see, just making sure we have everything kind of set up here. Now, if looking at the 1 hour, so massive Friday sell-off, of course. Sunday, we started curling it back up just a little bit, and now Monday, that curling up has continued. Now, we're seeing a pretty obvious bear flag here. Ooh, God, hold on, what is it doing? Maybe something like that. Maybe something like this. So we have been trending upward all day Sunday, all day today, of course. But again, it seems like we're just getting that kind of basically the retracement that we would see with a really nice bear flag. So we kind of got to see. I'm guessing market is going to open. Maybe we'll pop up to the 730s really quickly. We'll find that out in just 20 seconds here. Otherwise, our bull flag is certainly bull flagging on the 1 minute. Or actually, this is the 5 minute. Sorry. Bull flagging on the 5 minute. Change this to 5 and let's get into it now. Let's not make the mistake we made Friday, where we jumped in at like 9:31. It might have been 9:32. And those first two trades, honestly, were not very good trades. Here goes the push, though. Pushing up to the 670s already. Again, 736 is kind of the top of those previous little Friday's, not Friday's high, but Friday's body candle. Top of the body candle, 736, if that makes sense. Otherwise, Friday's high, 810s. But we'll see. A little bit of uncertainty. Obviously, Venezuela happened. Huge. Hey, Jose, Charles, good morning, friends. And happy 2026 again. So nice to see you. So nice to see you bright and early. Get me all fired up. So yeah, that news with Venezuela, absolutely mind-blowing. Ooh, got a little Facebook Marketplace notification. T-Rex lamp. John's Lake, motherfucker. I'm on John's Lake on the northeast southwest side. West side. Oh, jeez. I really almost did 5 E's on that thing. All right, hello, friend. Driving Obsession. Look at that. You're number 3 today. You're number 3 today, which I absolutely love. Look at that. We got people flying in. We got Jose here already. We got Charles already. We got our friends coming in. Super exciting. See what the heck we can do here today. So again, my bias on the day is kind of bearish. We've been bullish all day Sunday, though. We've been bullish all day this morning. But I still am kind of targeting this bear flag to play out. So unfortunately, confirmation, we needed to break 557s. Oh shit, we are sinking like a rock, but it's 932. Blah. That's when I entered yesterday. Remember Friday, I entered at 932 thinking, hey, this is the direction I want it to go in. It's going in the direction I wanted to go in. Let's jump in. And then it decided to revert for a quick couple candles. So, I don't know. I guess I gotta see, man. Definitely getting a little bit of FOMO-y about it, though. We got 20 seconds left of this candle, and we got a super annoying song. Man, we are having a hard morning over here at the Tarsha's household. Hello, friends. Losing my ability. I know, man. Come on, bud. But what time is it where you are? Driving Obsession. I forgot. You're from... Aren't you? Ooh, are you Lithuania? I feel like you're one of the So of course, just giving me a little bit of whatever. My God, we just started this day and I'm already losing my words. But still, just giving a little bit of credibility to the idea of me not jumping in early, because here it is, 9:33, 1 minute after I was saying, shoot, it's going the direction I want it to go in, I want to jump in. So, still good to be just a little bit patient here. But still looking weak, man. I really do. I think shorts is the way. But we shall see. Because let's see, Asian high 510, London low 647, Asian low 453. A lot of juicy targets underneath us. We're still looking awfully weak. It's 4:30 p.m. for me. Oh, nice, man. That's not terrible then. You kind of get to like jump in right near the, not to say end of your day, but endish part of your day. Man, looking so stinking weak. I'm just trying my hardest here to be patient. We got 30 seconds left until our next 5-minute candle. So that is going to be the plan. Is we're hoping that what we're going to see is when that new 5-minute candle comes up, it's going to break this wick 587, which is actually kind of breaking right now. Come on, 4 seconds left, 3 seconds left, 2 seconds left. Let's see. Is it breaking? It's breaking. Let's give her a try. Hey, Sod, morning, bud. How we doing today, sir? Aw, my poor boy. Breaks my heart. Come on, sink for us, please. Sink for us, please. We want to see a real good continuation down. Damn it. Man, sorry guys, my mind is not, again, on friggin' trading at the moment, so I'm kind of going to keep these tight at the moment. We, come on, just go for me, go for me, go for me. I mean, it's definitely dropping. I shouldn't even have these stops that I'm trailing. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I guess I'll leave the... Take one off now. Leave the last one down here. I'm just going to put the last one at break even. Oh, we have workers outside, you know, working on the neighbor's house. And yesterday was a really fun day where the kids started a lemonade stand just to, like, play with each other, you know. And it's a Sunday, so we didn't think anyone was showing up anyways. They were just literally playing. And a worker actually showed up yesterday to drop something off right as soon as they had set up this basically fake lemonade stand. And so they ran over. They actually sold the worker. Mike is stopped out. And stopped out. So they actually sold the worker a lemonade and like 2 bars. The guy gave him $5. They were high-fiving. They were so excited. It was the best day ever. I was really proud of them for being like good salespeople and stuff like that. And they're brothers, 7-year-old, 4-year-old. They did it together. Beautiful thing. But this morning they got all jazzed up and they're like, "Hey, the workers are here. We're gonna go sell them lemonade." And it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. It's the same guy that they sold to yesterday, and it was another guy. And I was like, "Guys, you can't go out there again. You can't hawk these guys. They're they're working now. Just leave them alone. It was cute yesterday. Let them do their thing." And the guy didn't listen to me. Wyatt has just been king big dick lately. My 7-year-old, just not accepting no for any answers. So I told him no for about 10 minutes. Turn around. He sneaks outside with the lemonade and runs across the street and tries to sell lemonade to the guy. He's like, "No, man, no. We did that yesterday, not today. Don't have any money today, basically." Which is understandable, right? You don't want to freaking just keep giving this kid $5 every day. So we yelled at him a little bit because he didn't listen. And again, he just had a theme of not listening to us. Man, look at this little TED Talk here. So that's it, guys. Sorry, you're my friends now. So you guys are the ones I'm venting to about it. So in the background, My 7-year-old is bawling his eyes out right now because we told him he has to stick to his room today. We're starting to get a little bit more strict with him. So that's why my mind isn't necessarily on trading, because I hear the 7-year-old bawling in my background. Alright, all good. Having some soup and dumplings. Nice, dude. It is so chilly here, too. It's in the, I don't know, probably like mid-50s, low 60s again or something, which isn't chilly for a lot of people, but it's friggin' chilly for me. Is it time for us to start a Discord and start charging $1 monthly? I don't know, man. Maybe. I don't know. I've kind of been like, it's like that the live like Patrick. I've just been kind of following his playbook on how to do things, I guess, if I'm being honest. He doesn't have a Discord, so I just didn't think about it. I don't know what value. Hold on. Man, again, I'm just not. I gotta think about what I'm doing. Hold on. Because it's not on trading right now. So we do have a full candle closure below our 5-minute range. Our targets on the 1 hour. I mean, again, that Asian high is a real juicy target, 508. Our previous 1 hour candle wicked us down to the 520s. We haven't made a new low yet, though. Our low of the day so far is 551. Yeah, still friggin' dropping though. The only thing I don't like is that wick a little bit, but what time is it? Let's give it 2 seconds for our brand new 5-minute candle. Let's see what she brings. What we want to see is, again, this 5-minute candle basically break this wick at 551. We want it to do it relatively quickly. Otherwise, let's see if we get a retest back to this imbalance up here at, like right here, like a 600 retest. Or does it just keep breaking? Yeah, man, so I've never thought about the Discord. I don't even know what value I'd bring in the Discord right now, right? Like, I feel like it'd be kind of hard for me to... Alright, jumping back in. Shit, but now we're shorting into VWAP, which I've made that mistake yesterday. God damn it. God damn it, god damn it, god damn it. Yeah, man, I literally, somebody just chastised me in the comments on Friday. Why are you shorting into VWAP? And I'm like, that's a phenomenal question. Why did I short into VWAP? I have no friggin' idea. So here I am, shorting into friggin' VWAP again. But at least we got some stops, so we're definitely in profit. We're in profit shorting into VWAP. She's dancing like crazy, though. Look at that. And we're out. Man, sorry, a little bit discombobulated trading so far, but we're up $165. Alright, so what value bring? What about us? We are the value. Dude, very friggin' true, man. So if it's about, I guess, the collective, right? So we start a Discord, we give people access to it. And is that the thing? Is that the thing, like, when people, because I'm not too much of a Discord person myself. I actually am a part of a Discord that I'm paying $30 a month to, that I've been paying for the last year, probably a year and a half now, and I haven't used it in the last 4 or 5 months, and I'm still paying $30 a month. I don't know why. I guess I got to go in and cancel that. But the value of that Discord was, the guy would map out his stock market swing trades all the time. So he was just continually updating charts and stuff like that. So that's why people pay, is to give value, or access to his charts. So the Discord would be, I don't know, man. You got to explain it to me, Charles. What would the Discord be? Or here you go, bud. How handy are you with Discord, sir? Maybe it's time for a little sink or swim partnership. You guys can run the Discord for me, and then I'll do this. Man, Nvidia is still dropping like a rock. Look at this thing. It's almost down to its EMA. basically kissing its EMA right now. Otherwise, it still has another $2 to drop here. Qs are forming a beautiful bull flag. ES is pushing up, so it's kind of interesting actually that NQ is looking so weak until now. Now all of a sudden it's switching. Man, so I got to get that ingrained into my head, and I can't believe I just made that mistake again. Chastised in the comment, why are you shorting into VWAP? I agree with the guy, no idea. Now here I am 3 points above VWAP, and I decide, you know what? This is a good time for a short. Luckily we got out of it quick and clean, but that's not a safe trade because we were too close to VWAP. Even though everything else down, 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 down. But look at that VWAP reaction. Whoop. So I gotta be careful again for a sec because my bias was bearish and now it's starting to look a little bullish. So I gotta make sure that I'm not flip-flopping, you know. I no longer pay for Discord. I have to believe in my own trading. ES is so much stronger than NQ right now, right? Exactly, dude. It's crazy. ES is pushing. And I think that's kind of I guess that would be my hesitancy of starting a Discord and everything else. Like, so far, everything that I do is just free. Kind of like Patrick, right? Everything he does is free for the most part. His course is $200. Eventually, I'll create a course. That'll be kind of funny. Mine will be like the beginner's guide. Beginner's guide to the universe. My course will be $10. I did apply to a bunch of affiliates over the weekend, so that's kind of exciting. We'll see what all that stuff does. Here's our new 5-minute candle, and it is ripping. But this is literally what I was just warning myself about, is don't switch bullish just on a whim here, because this could be, I don't know, this could just be a retracement. Again, like, this kind of looks like a bear flag in the making as well. So these might just be good short opportunities. Just feeling it out. So here's the bodies that I thought would be our stopping point, 734. There's definitely a lot of liquidity up there. Which still be 100 points from now, and we're still pushing. Right now, we're really smack dab in the middle of that opening 5-minute range. Hey, Trading Cowboy, what's up? Good morning, buddy. How we doing today? Yeah, ES is pushing. Yeah, man, nice push right here. I know, we took 2 shorts. We did good on our 2 shorts. We're up 165. Now we're just kind of waiting and seeing. It's a nice push right now, but my concern... Whoops. My concern is, look at the 1 hour. This is Friday, of course. Friday sell-off. We're just forming this massive bear flag. We've been pushing all day Sunday, though. All day today, minus our first 5-minute session here, kind of dropped this down. So just waiting and seeing. We came down, we retraced back to the middle of our opening 5-minute range, which would be the perfect point for us to and then come back south. That short got me, but I revenged the long. Had a few casualties, but won the war. I love that, man. That was like, I was messing with it, again, all weekend, just trying to come up with different, I don't know, like, this is like my passion project now, right? So me messing with this stuff is just a lot of fun for me. But I was messing around with a lot of t-shirt designs. Again, not that I'm pushing t-shirts or anything, but just kind of fun, right? It's fun to mess around with it. So I was trying to AI generate a like Call of Duty themed emergency airdrop to a day trader where it's a crate full of fresh evals. He just blew up his, he just blew up his funded account. His computer's on fire, and then outside in the background, you see this helicopter and then a care package being dropped with the fresh evals. It actually turned out really sick, but it's not a t-shirt. It's a good graphic, and that's it. It's like a cool, clever graphic. You still have a 1.5 minutes for this 5-minute candle. Coming back through and retesting the bodies here. Send the care package. Exactly, dude. I thought that was so funny. The computer's burning. We need it. So Nvidia is super close to filling its gap. It's only probably $1.50 away. I gotta imagine the weakness is gonna continue, but I just don't want to be silly. So I don't have high confidence on this, if I'm being honest. That's why I just went in with 2. Just went in with 2 little guys. Because look at this. Trending up, trending up. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. So we don't want to do anything silly here. Including having such a massive stop. Let's not have such a massive stop. Yeah, we're still trending up a little bit. It's too early for this short. Boo. Oh, here's our new 5-minute. Hopefully it saves me. Hopefully it saves me. Nope. Wick those lows, maybe inversion back over 635. You might be right, sir. Well, ES is falling. If Nvidia can start falling and Qs can start falling, we might actually get out of this stinking thing. But ES is at its EMA now, so that's not great. Pushing down though, pushing down. Gonna start bringing these stops down a little bit. Maybe stopped out in a loss, unfortunately, but lessen the loss. Does that make sense? Hold on, let's get down to the 1 minute. There we go. Yeah. I'm not feeling amazing. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I'm just going to let it stop down. Have you tried Funded Futures Network yet? No, I have not. Mr. Digital Duquez. Man, sorry about this trade, too. Again, like, on the 1 minute. Here we are at the VWAP on the 1 minute, and I enter. I mean, on the 5 minute, we weren't. Already got stopped out of one. Probably going to get stopped out of the second one, unless we do a nice push right here. Which is still a possibility. Whoops. Well, $72 on the day, gang. Yeah, I mean, everything's still kind of trending up just a little bit. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Let's see if we break 634. So, Funded Futures. No, I have not. What is the what's the draw of the Funded Futures Network? Yeah. I know. What do you mean?
10 years down the line, if we continue, let this behavior continue.
No, he's not like that, babe. He's not that bad. He's just very strongly opinionated. So doji candle. We have 50 seconds left of this 5 minute. Showing a lot of uncertainty. Still showing some good. I don't know. I almost think it's weakness, right? On this 5 minute, we're forming a bear flag. On the 1 hour, we're forming a massive bear flag since Friday. On the 15 minute, we're showing weakness. 20 seconds till our next 5 minute candle here. We're above VWAP and the EMAs are curling up. So technically, the rules back in the day meant that we should be looking for loans right now, but candle range is 37 for the 5 minutes. So we're still getting real good range. Interesting music choice. I know, man. It's just on, literally, it's just on Surprise Me. We're playing Surprise Me right now, gang. So it's been a very, very, very eclectic mix. So this is Raga Yaman from Clem Elford, guys. Giving you a little splash of culture here on the stream. Still looking weak, still looking weak, still looking weak. What you gonna do, Nasdaq? What is the ray? Classic Indian. Bing, ding, ding. Man, Sod. Did you see any of those reels of the like the Indian Christmas music? Where they were singing it in English and everything, but there was like an Indian, I don't know, guy or band or entertainer or somebody that remade all the classic, you know, American like Christmas songs. I don't know if that's American. Are they American Christmas songs? I guess not necessarily, just Christmas songs, I guess. But yeah, singing some of the classic Christmas songs with a really fun Indian accent is good stuff. Man, we're still breaking, we're still cutting, we're still looking real weak. We're right at the bottom of these bodies right here, 568. Oh my god, it's just teasing me, right? I don't know, it's against everything. You know, we're trying to short into VWAP, which, again, got chastised over. All of our EMAs are curling up. No, you haven't. Oh, dude, it was so funny, man. It went viral here. Like it was like 2 weeks around Christmas time. It's all you saw. It was like, if you're having a bad day, listen to this Indian Christmas song. Yeah, it was good stuff. It looks like shorts are gonna be the way. What are you doing, you silly boy? It'd be a 50-point stop, though, which would suck. What time is it? It's 9:58. Do we have any news today? Ooh, I haven't checked that out yet either. That's the one thing that $30 Discord actually does. Man, there goes my light. Man, I need a way to mount this better. I guess that works. Yeah, there you go. So we going long or we going short? Charles, you are asking the difficult questions today, my friend. I have no idea. I mean, we have 3 5-minute candles that aren't quite dojis, but they're not looking great. You know, my bias is still short. But admittedly, it's hard to go short against these wicks, you know? Look at all this buying pressure all the way back up. So we're basically coming down to the bottom of these bodies, these candles right here, the 568. And then we're getting a lot of good buying pressure back up. This is still forming a really gorgeous bear flag. But it's taken forever to play out. Whoa, here's our 10 o'clock candle. Right, I was supposed to be looking to see if we have news. The 10 o'clock is dancing like we got some news. Is there any news today? What is today? Oh man, this guy is useless. I gotta stop paying this $30. He hasn't even updated it yet today. Today's the 5th. No, I don't see any news. What are you guys leaning to? What are you leaning towards, Charles? Are you leaning long or are you leaning short? ES kind of got a bull flag confirmation, but then instantly got wicked down. Went up. Nice retracement. Bull flag confirmation, but then instantly wicked down, so that's not really a great sign. Qs are showing weakness. Nvidia's still showing weakness. Ugh, we're right back to that 570 though. Short, you're leaning short? Yeah, I wanted to break 570, which is going to be nuts because now we're shortening the friggin' VWAP, which is right at 540, but it kind of seems like that's the direction we want to go. We're still breaking it. Nvidia building the bear flag. Yep. Well, I mean, I'm looking at the 5-minute Nvidia on the 5-minute. Miguel, I agree, looks like a short as we come ripping the heck back up. Man, this 570 level, 570 is a real strong level right now. Every time we come down to it, look at this, huge wicks back up, huge buying pressure back up. But then conversely, we can't break 624. We hit that, we bump our heads. Yeah, I agree, Charles. If NQ could tap 25,800, I agree with you, sir. I mean, especially again, these bodies even. If it could just even hit 730s, the top of the bodies right here, I would be happy with that. That would make me feel pretty good. So yeah, there's a lot of liquidity up here, right? That's what you'd call it. A whole bunch of liquidity up here. Well, glad we didn't blindly go short down here at the 570s, because we'd be hurting a little. Still got 2 minutes left of this 5-minute candle. Pushing, pushing, pushing. 6:30s. So right at the top of, oh no friggin' way, look at this, we're right at the top of our consolidation box from, this must have been Friday or something. Yeah, right at the top of that box right there, 6:30s. That box went from, 600 to 6:30s essentially. We got a lot of liquidity down here. Look at this. 460s. You think that, man, that's a real good target as well. We're starting to get above all this. So we're kind of right, not necessarily right in the middle, but relatively close to the middle of that opening 5-minute range, which is also kind of the upper portion now of our 15-minute opening range. Still pushing. Pushing these candles, pushing these bodies. ES just broke, oh no it didn't. ES just wicked above its 15-minute range. Man, definitely a tough one. It was just like we're slowly grinding up. We do have a target to the upside that we can take out for liquidity. But it just feels like one of those ones we're gonna get a huge red drop out of nowhere. Hey, Marco! Good morning, bud. Happy Monday. How we doing today? Man, we're just kind of patiently waiting here ourselves. We have a bear flag on the 1 hour. We got a bear flag on the 5-minute. But she's not bear flagged. At least we were just talking about the short before the rip. We were just ranging out here, waiting for a good setup. Yeah, literally. Yep. And that's what we just showed too. We're basically, look at this. This was my consolidation box from the other trading session. We're just right back in the middle of that consolidation box. Well, not in the middle of it, right at the top of the range of that consolidation box. This was the 9:30 to 2:15. Why are you covered in tape? Are you putting it on yourself, or is Wyatt putting it on you? Some friggin' tape monster went running by me. Ooh, nice little bear flag on the 15, or bull flag on the 15. Well, we're still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. Man, I'm almost getting tempted at this point to jump this, enter the stinking long. Let's see if we push this. Man, I'm thinking about it. Maybe we can come back to the 9, come back to the 620s, and then jump in. And again, just target that 630s, because it seems like everything's kind of pushing a little bit, minus Nvidia. Huh? You really badly want to do what? I'm sorry, babe. You gotta go back to your room. No, as soon as I'm done streaming, we can go. I'll play a game with you or something in there. But again, it's serious, man. I'm not gonna talk to you about it again. You know what you did wrong, and I talked to you about it for 10 minutes before you even did it. You knew the consequences. Your mom literally told you 3 times, if you go out there and do that, you're going to be in your room for the rest of the day. You decided to do it.
In your bedroom, please. Go on.
Yeah, I feel bad for the poor kid.
Go on.
I know, I feel bad for you. I feel terrible, man. I do feel terrible.
If you make poor choices, you will be.
Was that a little loud, guys? Did that come out of the microphone loud?
Go.
Man, yeah, I guess I'm oh man, I don't know. I tried to mess these I tried to change these settings a little bit.
Go to your bedroom.
Cause I do keep redline. Hey. There we go. Slow down a little bit. I don't know, you guys gotta always let me know. Let me know if you can still hear me correctly, if you can hear the music, things like that. I'm still kinda trying to get my perfect rhythm of everything. I might, considering changing things up, actually taking the long instead. My stop would be right here, 609. So it'd be like a 20-point stop, basically. 30-point stop now. Because we're kind of above our consolidation spot here. We're starting to pick up maybe just a little bit of strength. But then look at this, this is a 1-minute bear flag. Come on, let's have something happen. Let's have something happen. I don't want you guys putting rubber bands on your bodies though, because I don't want you to cut off circulation, guys. Yeah. Especially not, you don't want to ever wrap that stuff around your fingers or anything like that. It can make your finger fall off. Nvidia's curling down, looking a little weaker. Man, it's just, this is just, ugh. I'm feeling antsy, you know? I want to jump in. I don't want to jump in the wrong direction.
It's not for my body.
Alright, we're going to try to punch along here. Who are we trapping? Probably Greg. We're trying to trap Greg right now. Ugh, son of a bitch. Oh, there he goes. Alright, here's our new 1 minute candle to save me. Come on, save me, Nasdaq. A little higher if you could, please. Just a little higher. Come on, come on, come on. Gonna try to drop a stop here at like a 658 or something. Hopefully we get kind of a good push. Just being a little bit weak. Shoot. $49. Come on, we need a good push on this candle. I don't want it to go back down 50 points. Come on, play out, play out, play out, play out, play out, play out, play out. Play on, player. Yeah, you're right. No momentum at all, so I'm going to try to get the heck out of it. Maybe I can get a little bit more. A little bit more, please. Alright, we're out. I need momentum. Plus, I didn't like that our volume is dying off a little bit. Actually, the thing that pisses me off is I just exited. Watch us friggin' boner candle up to 700s right now. Watch us do a 50-point rip to the 700s. Well, we've made 4 trades so far. Jackie, is there anything you want to do today? Huh? Well, I don't know if we want to like go to a...
Stick to our consequences. There's part of the bigger issue because we never stick to consequences.
We do. Well, I just meant like something conducive, like getting them outside or something.
Right now he's doing his consequence.
They had it taped to their head. Yep. Yep. Still showing strength. Still showing real good strength. Damn, you trade a lot. 4 trades in this slow action. Meanwhile, I'm sitting bored as hell. I do trade a lot, man. I know. Well, especially I try to, you know, I don't know. I don't know. I'm still trying to perfect it and find what my sweet spot is. But it seems like 7 to 10 trades between 9:30 and 11:30 kind of seems to be my sweet spot. Now, admittedly, yes, you know, I take stabs at things that don't necessarily work out, and those kind of go against me. If I didn't take as many trades and didn't take as many stabs, you know, you wouldn't have as many losses. But I just don't know. But that's the thing, you know, you can't sit here either and not trade if you're doing a stream. I mean, I guess you can. You're trying to teach, like, the correct style of trading, but it's like, who wants to watch that?
Me.
That's what you want to watch? You don't watch me at all, Jackie.
I watch you here. I want to watch you make money.
Okay, we're up 88 bucks.
Yay. Half our grocery bill for the week.
Yeah. Trying to get Alex. Trying to get Alex on a live stream actually this week. Texting him right now. Alright, let's see. Video dot ninja. Alright, let me send this out real quick. Yeah, I know, man. I just almost did too. Here, watch. You're about to see a live little video. Hopefully, it's a one take, so I don't look super silly. Hey, what up, Alex? Happy 2026, bud. I hope you're having a phenomenal start to the new year so far. We're actually live streaming right now. Look at this. We got the chat going. We got the computer going. Tradeovate, everything else. I want to do a live with you this week. What is your schedule? I found this great little video.ninja screen sharing site, so I could send you the link, and then you would just tie in like your laptop camera mic right here. You could tie in your Tradeovate screen right here. It's the only screen really you need to share. I'll add you into my little SOS co-host here, and then we could live stream for like 2 hours, you know, give everybody an update. But let me know, man. Let's do it. Yes, please. Alright, let's see. Let's see if we can get Alex from the BDH over here. Well, we went long. It didn't go too long. Luckily, we didn't FOMO into it. Get ready for the dump, guys. Jose is giving us the warning. Actually, yeah, Nvidia is breaking. Nvidia is breaking right now, so if the market leader breaks, we all break. What I wanted to see, man, I would love to see like a 617, I guess, break for a good little confirmation. Hi, are you ready for the dump? Hi, are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, back to the 5 minute. Man, that'll be fun. I hope he says yes. Ow! No bite! That's kind of rough. Fuck. Hopefully he's available. He is a solar salesman. Man, so weakness on the 1 minute, but look at this 5 minute. Looks like a lot of strength. So a little conflicting. Come to me. So again, my 7-year-old is grounded. He's in his room right now. He just wrote this map and sent it to his brother to bring to me that says come to me, and it shows me at my trading computer, and I'm supposed to follow the zigzags and get to him. Man, again, look at this strength on the 5 minute. Yipes, guys. Wick. I don't know. We might just be... This kind of feels like it's about to rocket ship.
Daddy,
Hi,
can I
baby.
see that picture?
Here,
that I
how about you
gave
come show
them?
people? Come show people what you're wearing. What the heck's going on here?
I'm
Here.
bad.
Sneak, hold on. Go sideways. Turn
Daddy!
sideways. Hey, baby, come here. What? The paper? Mama took it. It's right here. It's right here.
Follow this arrow, and then you'll find the treasure.
Okay.
And I think it's the best.
Ah, shit.
Okay.
Well, there was the pump we were waiting for. 20-point quick little pump there. 20-point little pop. Shoot, the kid was just yakking. We got a minute and a half for this 5 minute. A good target might be 700. And then again, I really always thought we'd hit at least the 730s to test those, the top of that 1 hour free fall. Basically this. Test 734. But again, huge bear flag. So we gotta be a little careful. On the 1 minute, we're almost getting our You know, this is our 15-minute, you know, opening range. Almost getting a full candle closure above it. I was in a long, and as soon as I heard people talking about the dump, I knew I was going to be okay. I love it. Get him. So did you get out of that long, or what is your what's your target, bud? That's so funny. Little inverse indicator. Use us as the inverse indicator. Yeah, I mean, we're just showing a lot of strength on the 5-minute. I got out at 670. Nice, man. Very nice trade. Come on, Alex. Where you at, bud? You gotta respond to me, sir. Man, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. Everything's still pushing. Everything's still pushing. I've noticed that sometimes big candles at the open of the 5-minute candle are traps. Huh. I guess I'll have to start paying a little bit more attention to it. This is based on that that Roche Capital's trading style, as he has like a RAM style or something like that, where that's kind of what he does. Is if the brand new 5-minute candle can wick the previous candle high or low within the first like 10 or 20 seconds, he'll enter it, and then he'll base it on the average range. So like right now we have a 40-point average range. So if this candle would pop this candle in the first like 30 seconds, he would enter along and then he'd add 40 points to it basically. So he'd take profit like 7-11 or something. Hey, what's up, Brian? How we doing, bud? Good to see yous. Oof. Man, I don't want to FOMO this, but it definitely seems like it just wants to keep slowly grinding up, slowly grinding up, slowly grinding up. We're just going to enter 2 right now, but we're going to try to shoot if we could hold them for 730. That 730 target. Oh man, that kid's getting yelled at. I feel bad. Poor kiddo. 673, 673, 673. Well, here's our new 5 minutes, so let's see. So again, what I'd love to see is, you know, within the first 30 seconds here for this candle to break this wick right here. Back to the 670s here. Our EMA is down here at 654. So hopefully that'll give us a little springboard to keep going back up. Man, did you guys watch Landman at all? So Landman had a new episode last night where the oil, you know, boss's wife, if you guys don't watch it, easiest way to say it, oil boss's wife went to the casino with 10 grand, went to the roulette table. It was just placing colors. And she goes, you can, you know, as long as you just stay consistent, you're going to win. So she bet like $100 on black, lost $100. Then bet 200 on black, lost the 200. Bet 400, lost the 4. Bet 8, lost the 8. Bet 1600, lost that. Bet 3200, lost that. Then bought 6400 and ended up winning that. And then just kept letting it, and of course it's just a TV show, but just kept letting it ride. And everybody's like, whoa, are you sure? Like by the third or fourth win in a row, they're like, are you sure? And she's like, boom, let her ride. And ended up walking away with like 90K off that. It's like, damn. How would we do that today? So we have a little bear flag on the 1 minute that's not giving us a lot of confidence here, but hopefully we're just going to come down, kiss this EMA here at 650s, and then curl back around. Showing a little bit of weakness on ES, little weakness on Qs. Nvidia still just showing a tiny little bit of weakness. He's kind of stalling out a little bit here.
Oh my god, Michelle, yesterday I was at the bus and I saw some girl and she had a mustache. I saw her too, and you know what? She had the biggest stash. It kind of makes you want to be the
This would be a perfect place to get a little support. If we can get it, this would be the perfect place. Here's our new 5-minute. Our 5-minute savior right here is going to push us through the roof. Come on, keep growing. Look at it, just slowly growing. Just slowly growing. I'm gonna trail the stop on the add-on because we're up 10 points on it just in case it goes against us. At least that add-on won't be a terrible idea. Man, this is a weird effing song. Girl with a mustache? By ex-Norwegian? What? Girl with the mustache. Some weird stuff. Boo. Stopped out.
Stop filled.
We might be in a range day. I know it, man. I know. I'm trying to force some trades here. Yeah, it might be in a tight like 120 point range or something. 560s to 690s. I don't know. The Nvidia chart is depressing if you really want to put on some NQ trades. I know, man. Look at this thing. Just so slowly. I mean, it still hasn't broken its session low yet, but its gap fill is so close. You know, less than a buck away from its gap fill. Just got stopped out of that last one. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, Nvidia's breaking. Nvidia just made a new session low. So let's see. Could Nvidia start the waterfall? Maybe the 1050 candle will give us a little bit of volatility. Or some momentum, you know? It's such a slow kind of grind. Man, this is kind of crazy to look at too. Look at the order flow, or this order block, like this entire thing. From the 550s to the 650s, 100 point, and everything's almost relatively the same volume, right? That looks kind of nuts. So what does that allow? I don't know. That's just a lot of, I guess, uncertainty. Like, my God. Still a lot of liquidity down here. I was positive we'd come down here sooner than later. But now we got this huge bubble to get past. And look at this, we're forming a nice shelf right here as well. Hmm, 50 seconds left. Uh-oh. Oh, where'd everything go? 50 seconds left of this 5-minute candle. Very kind of boring, huh? I gotta toss a monitor or something. I'm getting bored. What is Wyatt doing in there?
I don't know. My instructor just reached out and said, Jacqueline, your mom is coming to my place on January 27th. Can you give her the wording for the sign of the Bring With her? Matt, would you guys like to come and visit the
I thought you were getting a good message because you were like smiling over there and stuff. You're just smiling about
It's not-
getting excited about the drama.
It's, can you give her to bring this with her? Not, oh, we'd love to have you guys too. Are you available that day to come visit?
I don't know, man. Yeah, I don't know. Very strange. Oh, my God. I literally cannot stop yawning. What is this? The flamingo returns. There we go. Let's try some flamingo. Man, everything's looking real weak, but it's still pushing at the same time. Trying to just keep a real tight one here. Real tight one. Stop there. That's what you do in a rangy market. You do stupid, just little dumb things. Let's see, we got 30 seconds until our new 5-minute candle. Hopefully, it decides to stink and do something. Our 5-minute candle range is still 36 points, so it's not bad. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Alex is in. We're gonna have a fun day. Maybe Friday. Dude.
Hey, Courtney is gonna start taking her kids to BMX in Orlando.
Oh, cool.
So I think we'll test it out with them.
Yeah.
Closer.
Yeah, that would be fun. Might be able to take off Friday and stream. We'll get jazzed up. Okay, dude, that's so exciting. I'm very excited for Friday. As long as, he's got to get off work and stuff like that, but I'm about to be jazzed up, man. We're going to do a good job. So Alex from the BDH, for those of you just now tuning in, just reached out to him. He's going to co-host with me the stream on Friday. We'll get him connected. He'll share his trade of 8 screens. You get to see his pretty face, and we'll talk about our BDH experience and see where the market takes us. He's been killing it trading as well. Last time I talked to him, he had just passed 3 accounts. He just passed 3 evals, so he'll be a good one for us to pick his brain as well. Man, what a just crazy slow day now. This thing is just slowed the heck down. No continuation. Kind of what everybody was afraid of too, is we're just going to be kind of stuck in a little bit of a range here. Ooh, not really. You gotta blink real hard, but if you blink real hard, you can almost see a head and shoulders pattern. Right? Boom, 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 boom. Nvidia got a lot of strength though. It curled back up again. Here's our 11 o'clock candle. Let's see what it brings. Man, if we could break out of this range, if we could drop below 640, with some good veracity. There you go, Patrick. There's a correct way to say that word. If we could break through with some good veracity, then we'll see, you know. I want to break through here, then we got to break through the 630s, break through the 617s, and then it should be a pretty good free-for-all afterwards. We're right in the middle of the range at the moment. Alright, we gotta change this music though. I like it, but it's a little intense. Last waltz. Oh, Jackie, so with that clock, we were supposed to set it at 12 when we first put the batteries in. So that's why the cuckoo is off the time.
So how are you gonna fix it?
You just gotta take the batteries out, put 12 o'clock, put the batteries back in, and then slowly go all the way around until you hit the ones. So actually, a good time to do it would probably be at, yeah, well, at like 1 o'clock or something, like 12:30. Because you want it to do like, yeah, it would say like 1:30. So it can do one round at least. Stuck in the range, stuck in the range, stuck in the range, stuck in the range, stuck in the range. Now the frustrating thing too is when we finally pop out of the range, we got to make sure that that's not a fake out. What? I'm Craig at what? But text first? I have no idea. Did you want to pick it up? Dude, what is with this music today? We had such a good string on Friday that today it's just like blah 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 blah. Yeah. To make room for what? I mean, I love that. That's a good response. All right, guys, what the heck's happening? Are we gonna push up before we push down? I'm looking at the 1 hour now. I mean, at this point, I don't know. It's such a weird one. Such a weird day, right? We are slowly still trending up. So I guess what would almost make sense is if we pop up to like the 700s and then we have a curl back down to like the 600s, or maybe vice versa. We curl down to the 600s first, tap that EMA, and that's what gives us that power to push through this candle and push up into the 700s before the end of the hour, before noon. We did push out of our consolidation box too. We poked our head above it. This is the 5 minute though. Let's check out the 1. So we're wicking, but we're not getting a candle closure above it yet. Still poking our head. ES is starting to look admittedly pretty weak though. Nvidia curled up. Qs are forming a bear flag. Bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. Nvidia is the only one kind of forming a bull flag instead. I'm going to take the short. Ew. Man, we'll see. What would be my get out? Probably like, ugh. Alright, come on guys. We need all these bear flags to now play out. And instantly they're starting to pop a little bit.
Hold on.
I like this wick. It's a good wick, but I don't like that we're still kind of trending up at the same time. So let's feel it out. We're above EMA and we're above VWAP, and EMAs are still curling up, except for we kissed right there for a second. Come on, keep sinking, keep sinking, keep sinking. Again, the theme of today is just keeping everything tight. Keeping it all real tight. $11.07. Come on. Come on. The 1 minute candle range is 11 points. Let's switch back to our 5. Uh-oh. We're starting to get wicked. Starting to get a little wicky. I guess technically that's a safer stop. I just didn't want to put the extra risk on though. It's right there dancing at it, huh? Shoot. Yeah, maybe it's gonna go to the 700s first. Boo! Big old stop out. Well, shoot. Let's see, is it going to break out now, or is it just going to pop back into its range? Let's see, let's see. So far, kind of a boring day. We need to trade a little bit better. Damn. Well, invalidated. Still pushing. Gonna push up to the 700s then. $740s.
And little Greg's in.
Hey, little Greg!
Wyatt, bring us over to your desk.
Alright, we're going up or we're going down?
Up.
Because right now we're losing some shmoney.
I think we're going up.
I mean, nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move, right? So this is a failed bear flag. So does that mean we're just gonna rip the heck up now?
Stop.
Stop. Ow.
Jet! Stop biting! Yeah, you.
Chaos, 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 chaos. Man, I need to get my hair cut. My haircut was on the 1st of the month and they canceled it because it was New Year's Day. Look at that reaction down. Excuse you. You friggin' bowling ball. Man, admittedly, I kind of have a bad read on the market today. Come on. Man, just the slowest of grinds. Trying to squeak out like 3 points out of this stinking thing now. Oh, God. Right back down to the top of that consolidation box. Got 20 seconds left of this 5-minute candle. Hopefully, the next 5-minute candle gives us some good direction up. There we go. A little bit of dancing. Come on. Nope, showing weakness. Alright, gonna start getting out of this thing. Leave one stop right here. And stopped out. We'll see if it comes back down. Maybe we'll re-enter. Down 200 bucks. We'll just say what over there, Jackie? Wow. I walked away and it's still just a big old bag of nothing. That was our new 5-minute candle. Just barely pushed our previous one. Man, I don't know. I've been so bearish on the day, and it's just slowly been grinding up the whole time. Boom, boom, boom. Look at this dumb range. It's 11:30. I guess we probably shouldn't force this thing too much longer. So ES technically just barely squeaked out a new high. Literally just barely. Like 2 points. We still haven't made a new high in a 15 minutes. Still looking a little strong, but man, every time I try to do this thing, it's just so slow, and it's only moving a couple points at a time. A lot of liquidity right here in the 650s. Oh my god. Yeah, I guess I should just wait. I keep taking shorts and they're just not really working because it's a little bit against market direction and stuff, I guess. But it almost seems like, even if we were to go up, you'd think we'd come back down to 650s to get some liquidity. ES is pushing down a little. Nvidia and Qs are still looking okay, though.
What's going on, baby?
$670s.
Rory.
Just kind of testing it. Testing it with two little guys. Because again, this is completely against market direction. We've been going up the entire morning here. But volume's going down. We're running out a little bit of steam. So I'm targeting one right at the top of our consolidation range, which is only 13 points. And then really this would be the target, the 654. I think we're going to come down and tap 654. In fact, I'm going to move this one down. But again, I'm kind of betting against what everything's doing at the moment. Yeah, I don't know. Probably should have done the exact opposite if I'm being honest. Probably should have went long instead. We'll see. ES is trying to form a little tiny bull flag on the 5 minute. Right here. Yeah. Shoot. Bull flagging. That's not good. Yeah, not good. Got 15 seconds left of this candle, but gonna start. Shoot, moving my stop down to get out a little bit less. I don't know. Yeah, I'm wrong.
Stop field.
Yeah. Well, shoot, guys. I don't know, just no momentum today. No momentum. Man, look at that. I got stopped out at 1 right at the tippity top just for it to come back down to the blue resistance line. Which is only 1, so I might as well hold it. If it stops me out, it's alright. We're still up 160 on this account, though we're down on the day. So a little bit of wood to chop. We got a little wood to chop. Man, there's gotta be a big move coming though, right? What's just a weird, slow, grindy day. Green on the trade. Look at that, green on the trade, gang. Start moving this stop down just so it doesn't jump off that EMA towards us. Here's a brand new 5-minute candle right here though. Yeah, wicked out. Alright. Well, I'll probably only give it a couple more minutes, guys. This price action today sucks. I mean, literally, this has been 40 points in the last hour and 20 minutes. We've only gained 40 points in an hour and 20 minutes. Nobody can trade that. How can you hold a trade for an hour and 40 minutes to make 40 stinking points? That's stupid. And then here's the other thing that's crazy is look at this. So our average 5-minute candle range is 25 points. So they've only been 25 point ranges each time, and it's only either slowly gone up or slowly barcoded down 40 friggin' points. 640 to 690. Bleh. That's what that is. ES is forming a really nice bull flag, but who the heck knows? Nothing really is happening. Babe, you over here that Alex might be joining me Friday? Isn't that super cool? Jenny, come here, Bubba. I want some cuddles. Come here. Come here, you stinking pup. What? Take my dog away from me. Jenny. Come here. Come here, baby. Jenny. He just keeps whapping his head back and forth between me and her. Me and her, me and her, me and her. Who are we gonna choose, pup? You gotta choose one of us. Who are we gonna choose? What the heck, guys? What the heck? I mean, this is just a whole mess of forced trades. Because we're getting a little bit of confirmation one way, a little bit of confirmation the other way. But again, it's been an hour and a half now of a 40-point range. When you have only 40 points over an hour and a half, you can't make money. There's no momentum. ES pushed all the way back up to the top of its range. I mean, we're right there. Somebody just got to, I don't know, break out or do something. The only problem is, like, we're seeing right here. Consolidated, consolidated, consolidated. This is our breakout candle. And then the next candle took away the entire move. And then we consolidated, consolidated, consolidated. So it's going to be one of those really hard days that when we finally break out of this, we'll probably have a really fast move up 20 points. Next candle drops us down 20 points back to this green line, and then consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. Or it's just going to fall off the dang cliff. I have no idea. It's a hard, slow grind today. I mean, ES just broke through a new high, so the longs are presumably much better than the shorts. Ugh, just a hard one. ES made a new high and then immediately retraced. What time is it? 5 seconds till our new 5 minutes, so let's see. Let's see what this 5 minute does. Average 5 minute range though, again, just 24 points. So you might have to wait, 5 whole minutes to target 20. Just gonna try to play this range real quick. Definitely not financial advice. Do not follow. Yep, breaking back into our range.
Stop fill.
Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Just a rangy day. Oh, pot right back up. That's a good wick. Kind of stinks I got stopped out of 2 of them then. Hopefully we're going to go north now. Real good wick here.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Got out of it. Yeah. Sorry, gang. Rangy day. Don't force trades when you're in a rangy day like this. 40 points over an hour and a half. It's almost an hour and almost 2 hours now. Literally 40 points over 2 hours. Can't trade it. Cannot trade it. Which stinks because I'm going to friggin' walk away and then it's finally going to make the big move. And once it makes the move, I think it'll hopefully, presumably, be a nice continuation. But there's still a lot of targets to the downside. A whole heck of a lot of targets to the downside. Asian high, 509. London low, 470. London, or Asian low, 450. So a whole heck of a lot of targets. And even our EMA down here at 600s. And the goats aren't even out. Too cold. Too cold for the goats. Oh, there she is. Oh, you can't make her out. This box is in the way. She's right here. No. That's our Betsy. Looking like a tiny little cow. Back up to the top of our range. Actually, ES just did, they broke their session high again. Which that is a crazy wick back up. Really 730. 730 should have been an okay target. It's just, man, I tried to target that 5 times now. And it wasn't ready. 5 times I tried to target it, wasn't ready. Like right now. If you have momentum, do a continuation. There's no momentum. Look at this volume. Oh my god, dismal. For a 5 minute, the volume is all the way down in the 7,000s. Shoot, she is still pushing though. See again, this is me trying the long right here. Made 4 points on it. So third time hitting it, you have to stop longing at the highs. I know, man. Well, it depends, right? If you have, if you got momentum on your side, you got targets above you. You know, it's not a bad plan, right? I mean, again, 710 makes a lot of sense, 730 makes a lot of sense. And then technically, for you orb players, you know, oops. So right here, you know, we broke above the 15-minute range. We came back and had our retest. Not that it was supposed to have a midpoint retest, but there's our retest. Came back above. Full candle closures above our 15-minute range, and now we're having a breakout. So, you know, 50% of that move is 750. So why can't you do that? If the market is moving, then yes, it's a great plan. So I agree with that. I guess what I need to get a better parameter of is, do we have momentum on our side? Yes or no? Right? I mean, here we go. We finally have, we're starting to get a little momentum. 710 would have been the first target, and then 730s. Basically targeting the top of these 1 hour bodies right here. 734. And then there's Friday's high, 800s. Got 3 seconds left of this 5-minute candle. See, so again, this would be a Roche Capital. This would be his move. He'd be in here right now. He would be in right now because it just popped that. And then he'd probably target that 730. Stop would have to be way down here though. It's not far, but 30-point stop. $686. So we have our EMA down here at 686. Man, I'm honestly blown away by this day. It did not go in the direction I thought it would. I really thought we were coming down. Man, you know what else is crazy? I mean, I just have to start remembering the stuff that I say myself too, right? Like when we were down here consolidating, I was saying it's going to be a real hard one because I can see us wicking up to like the 710s, maybe 720s, 730s, but then just like this, we might see a 20-point candle come all the way back down, and then we consolidate for the next 30 minutes. And look at that. Consolidate, had the breakout candle, hit 708, curled all the way back down, and now we'll see. Maybe we're just going to consolidate for the next 30 friggin' minutes again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Alright, gang. Well, I'm going to give it a minute and a half more. We'll give it till 11:55. Just in the off chance she decides to do something. Otherwise, we might be signing off until tomorrow. Man, sorry it's been a boringer stream. I feel like we had a great stream on Friday, and then today is like a... Ugh. I had some good trades right away. And then this chop is just chopping us a little. And again, you have a 40-point range. So this is from 1020 on, from 1020 to now. Well, 60 points now.
Look at my car. Dad, look at my car.
Let me see. Whoa. Wow, that's a really cool car. You did great.
Dad, didn't look it. That's on the back.
What's on the back? Chippies?
Chippies?
Well, what do you call them? Moonions? What are they? Cheese balls. Here we go. Bearish engulfing candle. We know what that means. Do we? Do we know what that means? Who knows what that means?
Not me.
Not me, he says. Ooh, getting a little reaction down. Little reaction down. That's a strong push for our new 5-minute candle here. Right to the top of our consolidation zone. We have 15 more seconds of this 1-minute candle. Let's see if it keeps pushing or not. I gotta say, Marco, I'm glad we didn't long at the top here. You know? We did make a new high and then just sledged right the hell off, just like this one. Kaboom! Look at that, it's like a road map. Big green, big red, next candle, wicked below that one. Big green, big red, next candle, wicked below that one. Blowing lots of counts long in the tops. Yeah. Admittedly.
Dad, when can you play Flex? You still have 20, 30 minutes
You
here.
should be in your bedroom.
Yeah, you're right. I know. I'm almost done, man.
Can I hang out for 10 minutes? Oh, Mom. 2 minutes.
No, for
A
negotiation.
minute. 30 seconds.
If it breaks 662, maybe it gets interesting, but it's the same problem. It's exactly what we did here. Boom, boom, boom.
It was
And then the next one popped way the heck back up.
It was your influence, and you were told not to do it. Go to your room, please.
Daddy, was it my fault?
Yeah, Bubba. Yeah, it was. Again, we talked it, and we're not debating with this. Oh my God, we're not going to
Quiet.
debate you right now, man.
Quiet.
Come on. Or unfortunately, it ends up extending to tomorrow.
Come on, go.
You don't want it to be 2 days. Keep it to just one. We're gonna pee quick. Yeah, I gotta wait for a bear flag and short it to the bottom of the 15-minute range. Alright, we'll look at that in a sec. Yeah, I know. That's the Zycam. The Zycam should help that. Like, get you out of it, though. Alright, wait for bear flag. Short to the bottom of the 15. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get a retracement back up. Not break 685 and have a flush back down. That's what we're hoping for, huh? Hoping. Let's see if we get it. I like that plan, though. ES is forming a bull flag at the moment. They've just had bull flags after bull flags after bull flags. Honestly, we should probably just trade ES today.
Wyatt, it does not sound like you're in your room.
Yeah, man, just been a slow grind up all day. Here's his bull flag. ES is forming a crazy bull flag right now. But if this bull flag gets invalidated, they sink underneath the EMA. Maybe. Otherwise, we're popping back up to the 700s. How's the P&L? What's up, Stefan? I mean, admittedly, here, I'll show it. I'm not embarrassed. It's not great today. We're down 268. So up 134. Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. I'll show you the right screen. There you go. We're up 134 on it. But, yeah. I got chopped up, guys. We had our first couple trades were great trades. We were up 160, 170 on the day. We went from being up 170 to down 268 because of this lovely range. Pop, 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 pop. How's your P&L today, Stefan? Hopefully a little bit better than mine, bud. But that's why it's a journey, you know? They don't call fishing catching, they call it fishing. They don't call trading just instantly winning, you know? So one bad day won't take us out. But admittedly, that's why I'm still here. If I was in the green, I would have left probably 45 minutes ago. Now I'm being a little bit stubborn sitting here. I should just call it quits. 12:02. But I'm trying to wait to see now if this bear flag will play out and put us back into the green. Not too bad, bro. I don't like trading when we are a consolidation station. Dude, I know it, man. 100%. And that's, you know, it's one of the kind of the gifts. Well, I shouldn't even say it's a gift and a curse of me streaming, but maybe just one of the curses of me streaming, and I got to change my mentality about it, is when people are here and people are watching. I just remember when I was watching streamers, and I would get so frustrated because I'd watch the guy for 20, 30, 40 minutes. The dude wouldn't make a stinking trade. So I'm like, come on, man. I want to make a trade. Why don't you want to make a trade? So when I'm sitting here, I just get a little antsy. I just want to throw that trade on. But you're right. Look, I drew this consolidation box at 10 o'clock. Now it's 2 hours later. So there's no reason for us to ever have traded this entire time. I should have just sat out. I mean, we got one little bump above it, and that's why I tried it. Didn't work out. But otherwise, all these in-between trades really should have just stayed away. If we get a reaction away from the 670s, I'm going to short. Which we did. We popped back up. We hit 673. We're getting a reaction down. We only have 8 more seconds before our next 1 minute candle. And then a minute before our next 5. Yes, 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 he says. So I kind of agree with it. I'm leaning short as well, but at the same time, again, we're in the friggin' consolidation box. And then look at this guy. Look at this bull flag right now. Bull flag. Technically, it has the confirmation, the tiniest little confirmation, though.
No, Mom, that's not true.
But look at that reaction down. So yeah, if ES... Oh, wow, look at NVIDIA. Actually, look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA just filled its gap, and they're still falling. Tempting. Tempting. The only thing that sucks is, again, NVIDIA just filled its gap. So does that give NVIDIA a little gas to go up? And does that gas make that ES play out? Yeah, dude, I appreciate you, Stefan. I hope I'm saying that right, Stefan Steven. But yeah, it's hard to see if we are breaking out or ranging, and if you don't try, there's no profit. Exactly, man. You gotta friggin' try. At the end of the day, you just kinda try. Put the trade on and see what happens. Possible bear flag on the 3 minute. I mean, this is the 5 minute right now, and this is definitely a bear flag. You know? Now, unfortunately, whoops. See, on the trade of 8. 5 minute screen, definite bear flag. ES was starting to form a bull flag, but it's looking ugly. NVIDIA is still selling off, which would definitely give us room to go down. We haven't had confirmation on our bear flag yet. So do we jump in or do we wait? Alright, let's see if we get this bear flag to play out. Come on, baby. Let's have it play out. Hey, Jose! What's up, big dog? Come on, let's see a little bit of continuation, please. Oops. Ah. Man, NVIDIA's really sinking. I mean, come on. Let's have this thing break. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's have a real good break. Real good break. Honestly, I can't believe how well we're holding up right now with NVIDIA doing that.
Wyatt, I hope you're in your room.
Weird. Look at this bear flag. Come on, bear flag. Come on, bear flag. Don't make me throw my monitor. Whew. Hold on. We gotta hide the rest of this screen so we can make this a short later. Ignore those trades. Just look at the trade we're in. It's a little early. Damn it. Come on, just work out. Work out, work out, work out. Wow, man, Nvidia is just dropping like a stone. We're up 10 points almost, so I'm going to bring 2 of the stops down. I'm tentative to do it because it's probably going to wake us up. Yeah, we're stopped out of 1. I mean, Nvidia's just getting crushed. I just don't know why we're not falling. Why are we not falling? We should be falling like a rock. Add Microsoft, Apple, Google, and Amazon to its own chart with Nvidia. These are the largest stocks of Nasdaq and should give you an indication on the market. Well, gonna keep these stops tight. Basically keeping them at 10 points and we're fully stopped out. I don't know, man. The bear flag is flagging. I'm so impatient right now. So yeah, man, I have ES here, I have triple Qs, I have IWM, and then I just kept Nvidia. I used to have Apple up as well, but then I feel like Apple actually stalled out for the longest time. There was a couple months where they were just stuck in that, and I haven't even looked at. I covered. This day sucked, dude. Right? I did cover. Yeah, man. I don't know. I felt weird about it. Like I feel kind of like a, not to say a bitch for covering, but I feel like, you know, I kind of feel. I feel weak. Is a more PC way of saying it. I feel weak for covering because this really looks like a nice bear flag, but the continuation of momentum today friggin' sucks. And look at Nvidia again. Nvidia torpedoing down. So why is ES? Why are the Qs? Why is everybody still just barely holding on? I don't get it. So, I mean, if we can keep breaking. Jose, look at that. We're all learning together. I love it. But yeah, man, that's why I have my like little all. So IWM is obviously small caps, if you guys didn't know. So sometimes IWM can be a little precursor to the overall market, but small caps, you know, Qs and ES slightly go hand in hand. Qs go more hand in hand with Nasdaq, obviously. But yeah, Nvidia just got shot. Pop. Are we dying yet? Are we dying yet? I threw just this is silly, guys, but I just have one micro out to kind of. I'm trying to control my FOMO. So right at the bottom of our consolidation zone, Nvidia's been dying. So Nvidia, if it decides to come back up to its 9, I don't know. We're just at that point. We're at the point where it needs to break, but we need it to break. And it hasn't officially broken yet. If it breaks, we're going to add. If it breaks, we'll short the hell out of it. But we need it to break.
Go back to your room.
Yeah, because again, you're not showing us that you're listening, and you don't want it to extend to tomorrow. It can end up extending to tomorrow. Man, yeah. I mean, luckily that was just a little tester teaser, you know, but my God. So, bear flag. We had our confirmation break on the bear flag. Came right back up.
You're sitting down. No, go to your...
When you say we short the heck out of it, do you mean 1 micro? Charles, get him. Listen, guys, for you, 2 micros. We'll throw 2 micros on this bitch and see what she does. Yeah. Then we'll really ride that wave. I don't know, man. 50K account. What's appropriate? I think that 5. I honestly found that 5 micros is the appropriate kind of quantity for a 50K account. And sometimes I'll scale up. I'll scale up to, like, you know, a mini. I'll do 10, or maybe I'll do 15. But even then, I found when I do 15, it comes against me pretty hard. All right. Well, stuck in a trade. Just give me a sec. 2 micros can do a lot of damage if we trend in. Shoot. Alright, unfortunately, I do got to get going pretty soon because my wife is getting beat up by this kid. Now that Nvidia is crawling back up, it might push us back up. 1 micro could do lots of damage. My girlfriend currently preggo. Hell yeah, dude. Is it your first, presumably? We have a 4-year-old, 7-year-old. We homeschool them and everything. And, you know, my wife and I, we both stay, we just hang out at home, if I'm being honest. Well, we don't hang out. I mean, we work on multiple businesses, blah, 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 blah. But, yeah, so we're always together, man, and it is a phenomenal gift that can also, obviously, once in a while be a curse. So the kid is just being batshit bananas right now. It's your second. Nice, dude. When your wife is stressing out, you need to get your shit together before she snaps. Yep. It's mostly a micro joke. Nice, man. Oh God! All right. Well, we gotta get out of this trade. And gotta start helping. Not even the dogs are getting nuts.
Teddy, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
You're so cute, Roars.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
All right, last trade. It's either gonna work or it's not gonna work. We're gonna try to get out of it quick, just so I can help the wife quicker than later.
Mom, now I've been made.
Have you? Did you just throw a soccer ball at Lion's face?
But Mom, I've been behaved. My wife goes, have you? Didn't you just throw a soccer ball at your brother's face? That is also true.
Stop fill.
The basket is not Lion's face.
Well, it just needed on
Did you say sorry?
You cannot throw soccer balls at your brother's face.
No, no teeth.
Oh shoot, an ES is finally breaking. I gotta go. I gotta go. NQ. Could you imagine what, like, man, the frustration of waiting all stinking day, and just now it's finally starting to kind of do something, and we gotta go. Shit. Sorry, gang. Well, we, you know, I don't know. Consolidated day. We haven't done the best. We're only down 114 bucks. We were up 170 at one point. We're up 288 on the account, so it's not the worst in the world. We're right all the way back to the bottom of our consolidation zone. Admittedly, though, ES did finally break all of these candles. ES just broke its last 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes worth of candles. Q's is kind of starting to do the same. Nvidia had a big fall, so who the heck knows? After this green candle, it might have a slight push up to its EMA, and if it does that, that'll give everybody else just a tiny little bump too before they start coming back down. On the 1 hour, we're starting to form a little bit of a bull flag, but that's still within our larger bear flag. So, I don't know, gang. If I was sitting in here for a little bit longer, I would look for a break of like 625. If it could break 625, I think we're waterfalling down to like 570 at the very least pretty quickly. 70 trades! We only down $100. That's a win in my book if you ask me. Yo, Charles, you're killing me today. Killing me, man. I know, honestly, we way fucking... sorry about the swearing, but we way overtraded today, guys. Overtraded today. 42 trades today. Technically down $18, but since we overtraded, we have $100 worth of fees, so we are down 114. Longest winning trades, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Yeah, these have been kind of longer trades today too. Now keep in mind, I am doing micros, you know, so I'm doing like batches of 5 micros at a time. So 42 trades isn't me entering 42 times. But yeah.
You don't take care of that. Mommy does. No. We're not sure that's
Only 70? Man, I love you guys. TJP, what's up, man? Man, sorry that you kind of popped in right while I'm leaving. I'd love to hang out with you guys longer, but yeah, the kiddos are just going a little nuts and I gotta tag in. So yeah, we'll try again tomorrow. That's the whole thing. Again, fishing would not be called fishing if you caught fish every single day. It'd be called catching. So trading is not called just bags of money and Lambos every single day. It's called trading. So if you have a $115 down day, that's alright. They happen once in a while. But love you guys to death. We will see you again tomorrow at 9:20. Friday, I'm working on Alex from the BDH, right? So, you know, Patrick Whelan's stream, I was on the BDH for 2 weeks with my buddy Alex. I think he's going to co-host the stream with me on Friday. So we'll talk about our BDH experience. We'll trade together. I'll show you his screens, my screens, all that kind of fun jazz. And I think it's going to be a really, really, really fun day. Hopefully, you know, extremely profitable day and all that silliness. But really looking forward to it. Man, as this short looks like it's about to really friggin' short. Jackie's left eye is like, shut it down. She says, shut it down. All right, I gotta shut it down. Look at that. I'm starting to. Look at that. I'm getting the ish over here. I'm getting the itch. I see that red candle. I start itching. All right, love you guys. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.